Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're doing another sneaker unboxing review. We haven't done one of these in a while, but we're back, we're doing it. So what we have here is, so I'm sure you already read the title, what if you didn't? We have the Nike Shox MR4 and Martine Rose. It's in the color Safety Orange and retails for 200 bucks. Let's open it, shall we? Oh, I'm excited. I'm so excited. So with these sneakers, let me talk before I open it because I want to open this. When these first popped up on the scene, like, you know how people are, they didn't like them, which, I mean, rightfully so. You like what you like, but I thought these were kind of cool. I thought they were, you know, kind of decent, different. Here's the box. Nike Martine Rose. I purchased these at my normal Nike size, and the size that I get like for every Nike sneaker, which is women's 5, men's 5.5. Let's open them up. Okay, it comes with a dust bag. So this is the shoe. I love this shoe. Like, if you know me, you know, number one, I love neon. Number two, I like weird stuff. So we have the Martine Rose on the tongue, and then we also have it on the inside. Yellow fading into the orange. So the shoelaces fade from that neon yellow to the orange. The same as this. The shoelaces are the same. Oh, that's cool. I like that. I didn't even notice that when I purchased them. As of right now, the smaller sizes of these, they are still on sneakers, but you can get larger sizes and different colorways on resale web. The only one that I saw that was like really outrageously priced is the all white shoe. The other colors, they're not too much above retail. I know people aren't a fan of it. I actually really like the shoe. When I first saw it, I thought it was pretty cool. I like different kind of stuff, especially different sneakers, different silhouettes of sneakers. I like how the toe box, I like the shape of it. It definitely does give it, like, it's supposed to be dressy shoe mixed with sneakers. So the shape of this stuff definitely does give it that like dressy look, like a dress shoe.
Bye.
Okay, we're not done.
Bye.
They're comfortable, I'm not going to deny that, but I could have went down a ½ inch, if not a whole inch, so a whole size, unless they're really trying to go for the elongated look in the front, which it would still even be long if you went down. It's a weird sneaker, but it's different. If you like weird, I would definitely suggest getting it just size down. As always, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about these down below. Like the video and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one.